Welcome to the top best. The best roller bag is probably one of the most essential accessories for any professional on the go, offering a sophisticated and practical solution for transporting your work essentials with ease and style, ensuring you arrive at your destination organized and prepared for whatever the day may bring, making it an indispensable tool for the modern commuter and frequent traveler alike. Number 5. Amazon Basics Rolling Wheeled Laptop Bag. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for the modern professional. This rolling laptop case is designed for those who are always on the move. Keep your essentials organized and within reach. The easy access front pocket features compartments perfect for pens, notepads, and business cards. Safeguard your valuable technology. It's built to protect laptops with screens up to 15.6 inches, ensuring your device stays secure. Experience the perfect balance of portability and strength. Its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it easy to carry without compromising durability. Navigate airports with ease. This case is designed to fit conveniently under airplane seats, making your travel experience smoother. Effortlessly glide through terminals. The adjustable locking handle and quick rolling wheels provide smooth and controlled movement. What we like. This bag is designed for professionals on the go. Its ability to fit under airplane seats and its quick access front pocket make it incredibly convenient for frequent travelers. If you need to keep essentials handy during flights or quick business trips, this is a great choice. What people say. Holds my 2 laptops and accessories, etc. Lots of space for small items, it is sturdy, rolls well. I also can easily set it atop my carry-on, so a plus for convenience. Protects all my items. The bag is still going strong. The wheels have normal wear and tear, the handle does not move as smoothly, and the bottom is scratched up pretty good. But nothing is exposed and all the stitches held up. Roomy. The first section, the small front pouch, can be opened pretty wide. The midsection has a dedicated space for a laptop. Fit my 16-inch laptop and additional screen fine. Nice touch by adding padding at the bottom of that portion. There is additional space for my portfolio and files right next to the laptop section. The outer shell seems sturdy, wheels roll fine and the handle is nice. Number 4. Targus 16 Rolling Travel Laptop Case, TBR003 US. Introducing the Targus 16-inch Rolling Travel Laptop Case, designed for your mobile lifestyle. This black briefcase offers spacious, foam-padded protection for your devices. Safeguard your notebook with this case, built for on-the-go protection against everyday knocks and drops. It ensures your device stays safe during travel or daily use. Crafted with conscious materials, including recycled plastic bottles, this case not only protects your device but also contributes to environmental efforts. It's an environmentally responsible choice. With sturdy elastic straps anchoring your device, you can simply unzip and start working without removing it. This provides quick and easy access whenever you need it. Enjoy grab-and-go portability with the padded shoulder strap and carrying handle. Reflective accents provide added security for commuters in low-lit environments, ensuring safe travel. Store your power adapter and other accessories conveniently in the front pocket with an ID holder. This keeps your essentials organized and easily accessible, while the soft interior lining protects your device from scuffs. What we like. This case is built with conscious materials, using recycled plastic bottles. Its unique work-in design allows you to start using your device without removing it from the case. If you're an environmentally conscious individual who values convenience and safety, especially for commuting, this is the bag for you. What people say. It is both a backpack and roller bag. Its straps pack in so neatly. It fits under the plain seat for easy access, and it is durable. It has padded compartments for your laptop and tablet. It has tons of pockets and is so thoughtfully designed. The interior floor is rigid for support. The handle packs away in the back without pressing on your back. The wheels perform nicely and they are smooth. It has held up well, easy to pack and easy to carry either by the handle or as a backpack, and when on rollers it is easy to maneuver and the handle remains firm. It fit as under-seat luggage on major airlines. I am very satisfied with the capacity of the backpack. I cart my laptop and usually several 812 by 11 files that total about 1 to 2 in thickness. In addition to the laptop and files, I am able to fit a coffee thermos and some walking shoes behind the laptop and files. The bag is holding up well so far. It is very sturdily built, and the zippers and telescoping handle work perfectly. Number 3. KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag. Introducing the KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag, a premium wheeled briefcase designed for your professional life. It's crafted from durable, high-quality fabric for long-lasting use. This bag features roomy compartments to keep your 17.3-inch laptop, iPad, files, and essentials organized. The padded laptop compartment ensures perfect protection from bumps and shocks. Designed for travel, it easily fits in overhead compartments and meets carry-on requirements. Plus, RFID pockets protect your sensitive information from identity theft. Navigate your commute with ease thanks to the push-button telescoping handle and silent wheels. The handle retracts neatly when not in use, maintaining a sleek profile. A well-designed luggage strap allows you to easily secure it to your suitcase. This makes your journeys and business trips significantly more convenient. This durable roller case is perfect for business professionals and travelers alike. Its thoughtful design combines functionality with style for everyday use. What we like. This premium rolling bag offers extensive protection with RFID blocking pockets to safeguard your personal data. It can accommodate larger laptops up to 17.3 inches and features a convenient luggage strap for easy travel. If you carry a larger device and prioritize security and seamless travel, this option is ideal. What people say. It has 2 zip-open water bottle holders, one on either side. It's large enough to accommodate a full-size laptop plus has lots of other compartments to hold everything else and keep it all organized. Very durable and can accommodate a lot of my stuffs. Great item. It carries my entire office and school within it. 2 computers, files, 3 ring notebooks, and my purse. Zippers within zippered pockets and places for pens and pads. A front zippered pocket for keys, lipstick, etc., makes things easily accessible. Strong extendable handle. 2 side pockets for coffee and a water bottle. Strong carry handles. It is the perfect size and is quite durable. Zippers work without fail, and there's a lot of room. Number 2. Alpine Swiss Rolling Laptop Briefcase. Introducing the Alpine Swiss Rolling Laptop Briefcase, your perfect companion for business travel. It's designed to meet TSA carry-on size requirements for all airlines, ensuring a hassle-free journey. Keep your essentials organized and protected with its multifunctional compartments. The padded laptop section safeguards your device, while the main compartment offers ample space for documents. This briefcase is packed with smart features, including an organizer panel for your cards and pens, and a secure flap-over section. Dual combination locks provide enhanced security for your belongings. Built with a strong, hard-sided frame and a sophisticated leatherette finish, this rolling briefcase is designed for durability and long-lasting performance. It features a telescopic handle and smooth rolling wheels for effortless mobility. We stand by our product's quality. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty against defects, making your purchase worry-free. What we like. This briefcase is TSA approved and features dual combination locks for enhanced security. It's spacious enough for legal-sized documents and offers robust protection for your devices. If you're a lawyer or professional who needs to transport sensitive documents securely and meet airline carry-on requirements, this is a strong contender. What people say. This roller bag is perfect for work. It has a dedicated laptop compartment that fits my 15-inch laptop securely. The wheels roll smoothly and quietly, making it easy to navigate through crowded airports and office hallways. The multiple compartments and pockets help me stay organized, and I can easily access my essentials like my phone, keys, and wallet. The bag is also surprisingly spacious, fitting all my work documents and even a change of clothes for overnight trips. I love how durable this roller bag is. The material feels high quality and can withstand daily use without showing any signs of wear and tear. The zippers are sturdy and easy to open and close, and the telescoping handle is adjustable and locks firmly in place. It's a great investment for anyone who travels frequently for business. The design of this roller bag is both stylish and functional. It has a sleek, professional look that complements my business attire. The padded shoulder strap is comfortable for when I need to carry it, and the side pockets are perfect for water bottles or umbrellas. It's a versatile bag that can be used for work, travel, or even as a carry-on for short trips. Number 1. KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag. Introducing the KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag, a premium briefcase designed for your travel and business needs. It's crafted from durable, high-quality nylon fabric for long-lasting use. This bag features roomy compartments to keep your essentials organized. It includes a padded section for your laptop, ensuring it's protected from bumps and shocks. Keep everything in its place with dedicated spaces for your laptop, tablet, files, and personal items. Side pockets are perfect for your umbrella or water bottle. Designed for easy travel, it fits most airline overhead bins and meets carry-on size requirements. The telescoping handle and silent wheels make navigating airports a breeze. Travel with peace of mind thanks to the built-in RFID pockets. They protect your sensitive data on IDs, credit cards, and passports from unauthorized scanning. A convenient luggage strap allows you to easily secure it to your suitcase. This makes your business trips and daily commutes significantly more convenient. What we like. Crafted from durable yet lightweight nylon, this bag boasts silent wheels for a smooth commute. It also includes RFID pockets for added security and a luggage strap for convenience. If you're looking for a lightweight, secure, and easy-to-maneuver bag for daily business or travel, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This bag has a nice spot for my laptop, and it holds all the other papers and things that I need. The wheels roll smoothly and the handle is a good height. It is very well made and has a lot of different pockets to put things in. The handle pulls out very easily and is a perfect length for me to pull behind me. I also like that the handle just zips away so no one can see it. Tons of zippered compartments to store my laptop, my legal pad portfolio, snacks, soda cans, a portable fan, etc. Rolling everything behind me now is a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.